Hey, it's Alex, the founder of Couch. Today we're going to talk about Albany Park, one of the internet's most popular brands, to figure out whether or not it's actually good quality and good value. To do this, we went in depth. We examined everything from their product, their branding, their website, their customer service, to give you the best information possible so you can make your shopping decision. Now I'm going to hand it over to my AI assistant, Couchy, to take us through the brand review. Couchy, it's all yours.
Thanks, Alex. Let's talk about Albany Park and why so many people end up considering this brand. Albany Park is built around one core idea: make buying a couch online easier and faster without sacrificing comfort or style. I'm on their homepage now, and right away you can see how focused this brand is. I'm scrolling through the page and everything feels intentional and easy to follow. As I move into the sofa collection, the lineup stays tight. You're not sorting through endless variations of the same couch. Each product has a clear name, a clear silhouette, and a clear purpose. I'm hovering over the product cards here, and pricing is straightforward. You don't have to dig just to understand what you're looking at. Now I'm clicking into the Lido Chaise sectional. Scrolling through the images, the first thing that stands out is how light and elevated it looks. Slim legs, clean lines, and a chaise that gives you room to stretch out without overwhelming the space. As I scroll down, the dimensions are clearly shown. This helps you picture it in a real living space. The proportions feel generous, but still balanced. I'm hovering over the materials and fabric section. You can click these swatches and see the couch in different colors, find what best suits your style. You can see the cushions are removable and designed for everyday use. This feels like a sofa you can actually live with. Now let's jump back and take a look at the Kova box cushion pit. The vibe changes right away with this one. It's deeper and clearly built for lounging. You can see a video here so you have an idea of how big or small the sofa is. The box-style cushions keep everything looking clean and intentional. This works well if your couch is where you really settle in. There are also options if you want an ottoman with storage, or if you prefer pillow cushion instead of box cushion. Next, I'm clicking into the Barton sofa. Right away, the proportions feel different. Seeing it on 360, you know this one works especially well in larger rooms. As I click on another image, the dimensions are clearly listed. That makes comparison easier. When you step back and look at Albany Park as a whole, there's a clear point of view. Think modern design, deeper seating, performance fabrics, and an experience that doesn't slow you down. The focused lineup helps avoid decision fatigue, with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame right here. That shows confidence in durability. Scrolling to the fabric swatches section, free swatches are available. That matters when you're buying online. And for budgeting, you can see financing options available. Going back to the homepage now, seeing these side by side, Albany Park's approach becomes clear. Look at these. Scrolling through Lido, Kova, and Barton. It's all about clear roles. Each collection plays a different role. One feels lighter and elevated. One is built for deep lounging. One is more grounded and everyday. Clear differences, no confusion. Is Albany Park worth considering? Yeah. They found a strong balance between design, comfort, speed, and clarity. If you want modern furniture that feels easy to buy and doesn't come with a long wait, they're doing a lot of things right.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.